Hi guys. So I've been meaning to do this for a long time now and I've not had the chance until today because I've pulled out my stereo and I've sold the car. So I used to have this issue where I'd put the RCA cables in and wire them up to my stereo, my amp and so on, and what you do is you find is a whining noise, and when you drive you'd hear the whining noise increase. It's like it's harnessing the sound from your engine. So I did a bit of digging and I found a full-term, long-term solution, whatever you like to call it, and it does eradicate the issue. Now it's a bit of a tricky one depending on how many RCAs you've got. As you can see, mine, I've got 3 pairs, so one for the front, one for the rear, one for the subwoofer. So what that meant was you've got to basically get a piece of wire, right? So for it, hang on. So you know, like a remote wire, for instance, strip it down, and then what you want to take it down just to the bare copper light. And what you're going to do is you're going to loop it round on the outside. So from each port, and then once it's linked, you're going to run a final wire that goes from like whatever the connection is to the actual base part of the stereo. So I'm going to put the phone down and I'm just going to quickly show you how I did mine. I don't know why I removed it, to be fair. I should have kept it on, and I could have just taken a picture and sent it instead. So let me see if I can get a good sort of angle, and then I can just quickly show you. Right, I'll put it in my knees. So it should still be recording, right? Yep, cool. Okay, I'll just bring that closer. Out there. So it's a bit tricky the way you do it, but yeah, it can be done. It can be done. It probably needs about 10 minutes or so. But I'll just do the top 2 for now, and then you'll understand what I mean. It's very important just to get it on the outside, because obviously when the RCA goes in, you don't want it to hit anything on the on this copper wire. It should just be on the outside. I don't know what this actually does, but obviously for a sound perspective, it must just noise cancel anything on the outside. Now, for me, it's worked, and I've had no issues, like I've said. So you can give this a shot. So then, with the next piece of wire now, let's say you've done your you've done your thing, whatever it is, and all 6 or how many ever you've got. Now you want to get just another fine piece of wire. You want this still onto it, so it's still protected, and then you want to tape it or put it into one of the ports or holes that you can see on the top. So give me a sec. Let me just sort this bit out. Right, so what you want to do is you want to just bring this out a bit, and once it's like on, yeah, push it back in, so that's now stuck on, and then literally